Hi. We are at it again. This is episode 873 of the Derpy dev stream for the live review tool. For those of you watching for the first time, this is a tool that I have been working on over the past few days to help me make better content more frequently. My biggest time suck in all of the YouTube stuff is in the editing process, and I wanted to make a tool to help me get reviews out much quicker. What kind of... I don't know why I keep accidentally having that song play whenever I'm like doing the intro. It's the first thing on this playlist that I keep playing, just because it's like long enough and it's got some good stuff in there. And so I hit play whenever I'm starting the YouTube video or the live stream, and inevitably that's what's first. But anyway, so this tool, if you don't already know, there is a link, or there's a big kind of write-up in the description on kind of what I'm doing here, just for the hyper curious. But to summarize it, this is a tool to give me essentially teleprompter bullet points, as well as control with a Vive wand to cycle through things, to change my camera view, to change what video is playing behind me, to do it all live. So the end goal of all this is that I'm going to have a 5 to 10 minute review, like you're used to on my channel for my review content, but live. So I'll be just hopefully not making too many mistakes, but I'm not going to be editing out the typical tongue twisters or whatever it is. I'm just going to let it go. All right. But then for the most part, it should be structured in the way that my reviews typically are. At the end of it all, I'm going to open up live chat, and I've already got everything plugged in to where I can pull in the YouTube API. And as long as you guys put in a question with the tag @, then it will show up in a list that only I can see, and then I can pick on one of those, and then that will show it to the live stream view. So what the stream sees is a more polished, it won't look like it's really live until the end, obviously, whenever I'm reading live chat, but hopefully it'll be more professional looking, but still it'll save me like 5 hours per video. So that's the goal. Goat! Hi! Stewhawk. Yeah, that's fair. Hello, Mr. Wolves. And hello, Stewhawk. Good to see you all. By the way, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a live stream where I'm actually going to be playing a game. That should be fun, right? So hopefully I can get this tool done before then. Probably not. Okie dokie. So, where were we yesterday? Yesterday I streamed last night for a couple hours, and it was really just a unproductive mess because I was dealing with this audio issue. Turns out Unity has horrible, like, choppy audio if you play a video at 60 frames a second, which sucks. So I'm gonna have to make sure that all of my videos are recorded at 30 frames a second, so that way I can import it into this and it will just work. So I've moved on for that for now. Hopefully I'll find a better way so I can have higher quality stuff down the road in terms of the frame count, but it's not that big of a deal. Honestly, most of the videos that I upload are at 30 frames a second anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. I just record at 60 frames so that if I wanted to do like slow motion or something like that, then it gives me more freedom. But the whole goal of this is to not edit, right? So I won't be editing if this works out well. So 30 frames is fine. So I'm moving past the audio issue. Now I've just got a couple more things to wire up. Let me just run through this real quick and kind of give you an idea of what this is going to look like. If you're not familiar, this looks terrible. Unity makes it look even worse. So, yeah, Unity makes it look way worse. Come on, Unity, refresh. There it is. Okay, so this is going to be kind of like what I see on this screen right here. This is going to be what is shown to me, and then what y'all see will be over here, or at least something closer to it. Unity doesn't scale this UI correctly, so it's all broken. But so I'll have a list of bullet points that I'll be able to cycle through. At first, my idea was to have the thumbnail of the video here. I think I don't need that. Although I don't know. I may just have a list here of what's going to happen. So play video, if there is a video, but I don't actually know if I need the thumbnail. Probably not. But anyway, so once I click on this, it will play a video over here. My camera will be somewhere in here, either full frame in the bottom right or not visible at all. Just to confirm that is playing sound, right? 1 second. Oh, that's right. That one's not because, yeah, anyway. So yeah, you hear some of the choppy video, what I'm talking about, that's with a unedited clip, but I did confirm that once I reduce it to 30 frames a second, it will work. So these bullet points, as I enable them, they will trigger different actions. It will either show a video, maybe show an image. It will just do something behind me, and also I'm going to configure it to where it's going to have some presets for where I want my camera. At first, my idea was to have some UI elements over here to manually control that. I think, though, I want to just like preset these things. That way I'm not fumbling with the controller much. Basically, for each talking point as I go through it, it will either hide my camera, make it smaller, make it bigger, whatever it is, and I can just kind of decide and kind of design the format before I even go into the review. So simplifying it, spending half an hour ahead of time, getting everything prepared, that way I can have a nice smooth live stream is kind of the goal. Hello, Nosewolf. Derpy dev time it is, again. You guys, I'm sure, are sick of this. So yeah. So I think, so what I wanted to do today, first off, is change the format for my CSV. Because I don't want just the video option for it. I want multiple things. And honestly, I'm thinking about converting this over to JSON because I hate CSV so much. Though I don't know. Is there a good like Windows just like JSON editor tool? Because freeforming JSON is not fun. But if I can have a tool that just can kind of give me simple key value pairs and all that. Oh, hey, in the Windows Store, the App Store, the Windows App Store, which literally to date, I have not downloaded anything on my computer from the Windows App Store. The only thing I've used the Windows App Store is to delete the spamware that comes with Windows. Yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for. Okay, that's decided. I'm converting over to JSON because JSON. I'm already using JSON in the tool for I have to for the YouTube API. So we're just gonna do that. Yeah, that'll make my life a lot easier. So that way I can have a lot more complicated data structures than what CSV is makes convenient. Acquiring license for a free product. Well, that was easy. Yay! JSON! Oh, wait, hold on. This is... Oh, okay. Oh, sweet! This is nice. I had the freedom to do whatever I want. Heck yeah. I guess I shouldn't be surprised. Like, JSON is incredibly common, so yeah, we're going to go with this. For people that don't know, JSON is JavaScript object notation. It's a key value pair structure that uses... here, I'll just show it to you real quick. Oh, wait, here. Let's look at code. That way it formats it all nice. So you can have like arrays, you can have maps, and you can just have key value strings like this down here. So it's really handy for minimally complicated data structures. It's not great for large things, but it is exactly what I need right now. Nosewolf, I'm glad. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the stuff that as I'm going through this, okay? Like, I don't mind explaining some of these things. If I can help you out, I'm all for that. Cool. So, time to convert. I'm so glad. I hate parsing CSVs. Like, it's the worst format ever. I don't know why I went for it at the beginning, but whatever. So let's do this. So let's just save this first. Let's go to the place where I'm keeping all this. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. This will give me a lot of flexibility. Oh, this is so nice. Can I just delete, remove? How convenient is this editor? Okay, so I can't just, I like using keyboard. Okay, so I can't just edit. I actually have to click this and delete. Okay, cool. That's fine. I won't be doing too many deletions. In fact, it'll just be iterations over a list. Okay, so, oh yeah, this is gonna be so much nicer. All right, let's just, can I just clear everything? No. Okay. So yeah, so this is going to be talking points, and this is going to have, can I insert an array? Nope, that's not right. Oh, I should have done that first. Oh, that's just, this is just a field. Okay. So this needs to be talking points. Yeah. Actually, this, like if this is going to be automatically, I don't know. I may end up just reverting to using just the code. Append. This may not be easier. Insert object. I want to add something to this array. Wait, did that do it? No. Oh, maybe it's here. Oh, there. Cool. All right, so talking point, and inside this, I'm going to have a that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so here we have this first index. There we go. Talking point. This is what's up? I miss the 90s. Oh, I miss them. Okay, you know, I'm gonna start this off in, yeah, I need to start this off in code because the editor is not great. If anybody who has experience with JSON knows of a good editor, one like this is okay. Like I get it, but it's not easy to manipulate it through the tree view, which is kind of what I was hoping for. Oh wait, form. Oh no, I don't know what this even means. What's the difference between form and view? I don't know. Oh, I don't know what it is. I don't know what a by connect meme is. What is this stuff you're talking about? Okay, so inside this talking point object. Oh wait, hold on. This is not right. This is an array of talking points. I want an array of data. Ah! What? Tab breaks it. Okay, let's try another one. How do I open up the Microsoft Store? That's what it's called. Yeah, I just hit tab and the entire thing just broke. Like, nah. Yeah, you lost me. You lost me. Hmm. I don't just need a code. Hold on. Hold on. I'm using a JetBrains product here. Hold the phone. Hold the phone, because JetBrains is amazing. Let's see what JetBrains has to say about editing some JSON. Here, let's just open up any class file. Come on, writer. Come through for me. Come through. You got this. I bet you there's a plugin for it. It's my wife, guys. Hello. You're on live stream. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna put you on speakerphone. No, yeah, I'm gonna put you here. That way they can. Well, it's not really on speakerphone, but they can hear you. Say hi.
Hi.
What's?
Well, I'm just letting you know I'm on my way home
All right.
from Seattle, so it'll be like 35 minutes.
Okay. Bring me some marijuana, some whiskey, and no, okay, actually, don't bring me any of those things. I already have whiskey, and I don't want marijuana.
Oh my God, there's a freaking bike guy trying to weave in and out of traffic.
Welcome to Seattle. All right, I'll see you when you go.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Probably just demonetized my stream, didn't I? Wait, it's already demonetized. I don't even care. Where's the gun? I mean, both of them are over there. What do you mean? Oh, I should have said I will relay your highs later on. No, Swolf, why did you bring up the gun? And why is this red? Ryder. Let's try reopening. After all the good things I was just talking about you, you're going to lose references to a class. Like, to all classes. Invalid VC... Oh. What? I don't want 4.7. Hold on. Why does this just suddenly change to 4.7? This was on 4.6. Bruh. Preferences, writer. Correct writer. Writer's default that, yeah. That's what I want. I don't understand what is going on. Maybe after I change his preferences, it will change it. The Dundee, you know, I still have. This is still a bookmark. My God, I was chubby back then, or chubbier, still chubby. Good times. Good times. Okay, what is happening? What, like, really? Why are you trying to target 4.7? Oh, I did update Unity? Maybe Unity's looking for a newer version? so confused. And I'm not familiar enough with the writer to actually change. This was just working last night. What happened? There it is. That was weird. Why did it suddenly just change my target? I don't even know. That's bizarre. What editor were you using for JSON? Oh, I tried using I think it's just called JSON. Yeah, it's just called JSON editor in the Windows App Store. Not it didn't really work well. It like completely flat out broke. So let's do. Isn't there? I think there is a. I don't want to mess with that. Okay, let's just try to open up that file. Open file or folder. Nope, I'm an idiot. Let's just move this into the root. Why I gotta make this so complicated? You guys mind if I play some Avril Lavigne right now? It feels appropriate. Assets. What is it? Streaming assets, streaming resources. Streaming assets. Okay. So anything in the just folder streaming assets should get built out as the actual file itself. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there, and we'll worry about actually building it and figuring that stuff out later on. Okay, back to Unity View, streaming assets. Let's see what. It's good enough. I mean, at least it's formatting it correctly. I'm just gonna go with that. Ollie, I wanted something to help me format it and not have to freeform JSON. Because I'm lazy and I don't like dealing with freeform text like that. So for Visual Studio Code was suggested. Code, like Visual Studio Code, the application, the thing that's good on Mac and all that stuff. Okay, so here we have. Here, let's just get rid of this stuff. Talking points. And I want this to be an array. And 0. Wait, do I even need this? No, I don't. I need I think. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. Hold on. I don't remember the last time I've actually needed to really just like write JSON. I'm gonna cheat. Are comments allowed here? JSON does not allow for comments. Yeah, I figured. Okay, so we're just gonna ignore the errors for now. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore the errors. Using this as a reference, so yeah, okay. Okay, so talking point. Talking point. This is a talking point. Video. Then I want this is going to be an enum. What? Why are you mad at me? Oh, because I have the quotation or comma. Oh, yeah, tunes. My bad. Thank you. Code.visualstudio.com. I gotcha. I'm gonna keep using Writer though. This is good enough. Like, unless I had like a really convenient JSON editor tool, like I might as well just not mess with it. What else do I need? I need camera position. I need. Oh yeah, in the video file, I need. Here, let's make this a object. And for you, you have the I decided I'm going to want this. Hour, minute, seconds, frame. Andreas, that may be the correct format. I used the, so I'm having hour, minutes, seconds, and then the period, and then after this is going to be frames into the video. That's probably not right. However, I didn't want to represent this as milliseconds and have to do the math, so I'm just using subframes. Probably a stupid thing, but it's working. Let's see. There's other information that I'm going to want, like, does it stop the previous video whenever I navigate to it? How do I want to represent that? I don't want to just want to, do I want just a Boolean? Yeah, I think I... Okay, just gonna put it at the top level. Yeah, Ollie, you're probably right. I used something, well, I've used something before. that was absolutely amazing. It was not a public product though. It was just an internal tool for a company I worked at, and it was really, really, really nice. But yeah, it's okay. And now that I'm getting just back into editing the JSON, like it's all come back to me. It was just I was being lazy as all. Is there anything else that I need right now? No, I'll leave. Oh, I think that's good. Okay. I think this structure is something I can live with. Let's try that. Multiple sources sync issue. Need more input. You mean you have multiple inputs that are coming in? So describe like the symptom. Like what are you actually observing? Okay, webcam and audio match up, but that doesn't sync with the game capture. Does it sync at the very start versus at the end? Or is it always offset by a certain amount? But so if they're always the same offset, then OBS added the ability to add a delay to your webcam, or vice versa, whichever one you need. Either you need to add delays to your audio, or you need to add delays to your video, whichever one's behind. Always about a second and a half. Oh my gosh. Is it consistent? Like from video to video, is it always the exact same difference? If it is, then what I'm talking about will work. If it's not, I don't know. That sounds like a weird kind of performance issue. Like maybe you're like maxing out some resources and so it's delaying it? I don't know. That would be a weird one. Is the delay consistent though? How would I do that? Okay, it is consistent. Okay, I think. And which one is behind? Is it the video or? Wait, did you already say that? Game capture lags. Okay, so you need to delay your audio, and that's pretty normal. Are you using Elgato? Or any sort of HDMI capture? Because that's very, very common. The capture cards are always adding some latency to it. So that's, you add a filter. So if I were to do this filter, I think it was here. Maybe not. I'm wrong. Where's that? I know there's a way. Hold on. Thought it was under filters. Noise suppression, no. Here, one second. I'm gonna mute this. Where is it? Oh, wait, no, that's push to talk delay. What the heck? I know I've seen this before. I have absolutely delayed my audio. Where is this? Maybe in advanced? Ah, there it is. Okay, so yeah, so if I were to add like a, let's do 1,000 millisecond delay. Oh wait, that's the wrong mic. Have they added panning yet? No. See, so now that I've added this, you guys should see a horrible 1 second delay in my voice compared to everything else, or compared to, like, you know, me moving my mouth. I hate YAML. I hate it. Absolutely, I don't know why, but I despise YAML. Actually, it's been a few years. Let me look at it again real quick. Let me look at its format. Really? That's what you show me? Yeah, I mean, okay, so YAML does reduce a bit of the complications. Does it support more complicated structures? Or is it just key value or key, like this looks like a key value. Like I want to be able to support like objects kind of like that. I don't even know. But anyway, I'm just gonna go with this just because it's familiar. I'm just gonna do it. Cool. Okay, so we have this edited. Now I need to convert this over to some classes so that I can deserialize it out. How am I going to be doing that? No way. Is it really that easy? No. Apparently Unity has just a JSON utility .from JSON. Come on. Don't tease. Don't tease. Okay, we're gonna create a new structure for this. Let's do. No. This is not where I want to actually keep this folder, but it's good enough for now. Let's call this one Talking Point Pojo. But it's not a Pojo. Poco? What is it? What is C# called a Pojo? It is Poco. Meh. We'll go with Poco. I care. I'm gonna go with Poco. I like Poco anyway. It sounds fun. Oops. Alright, we're gonna have the talking point Poco. It sounds so funny saying it. Then we have the video file subpoco. Yeah, we'll go with that. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so inside the talking point, here, let's just, this one is a full one. Oh, oops. Public. We're going to change this to video info. I may have to, I don't know if it'll do the subs, but we'll see. Maybe? Let's just see if that does it. Otherwise, I'll have to add the. I think that will probably work. Probably. That's how I would do it. All right. So now to access. Okay. I don't want to do this. I'm just going to debug it. See what happens. I expect error, but we'll see. Simon, I'm not using a proper timestamp. Probably because I'm stupid, but I'm not. Invalid value. Oh, you're not going to give me a better error than that? Which line? I'm assuming it's a video. Oh, bummer. Wait, what? Oh, no, that's not right. Serializable, product info, root object. No, that should work. Invalid value. Oh no. I don't know if it's going to be a... Talking point, video info, stop current video. Dang. I was hoping this was going to be very, very simple. Wait, hold on. I have... Does simple JSON allow... Does simple JSON have a deserializer? They use the same library. No. Wait, no, that's not right. Of course it takes an input. Travel, why are you so stupid? Where did I put that class? Yeah, just JSON.parse, you dummy. I mean, it won't load it into the Poco, but it does at least give me the ability to pull it in without parsing it. So let's do let's see what this looks like. And this is easy enough to where I don't mind just writing this real quick. Talking point. Whoa, global. What the heck is a global? I've never used a global. What? Oh, I mean a static. Dadgummit. Completely forgot. This does not need to be static. Let's see what that looks like. This may not even be coming back as JSON. I don't even know. That may be my whole problem. Who knows? I probably should have tested that first. It needs a file content? Of course it does. Derp. Thank you, Ollie. Yeah, that's a big derp. Big derp. File dot read all text. How about that? Gosh, I'm an idiot. Oops, no. Bone Studio, yes, it's high enough resolution. Doing it in a Unity game is not ideal. Doing it in developing Unity is not ideal because Unity like just kind of pukes in weird ways, and it's just not convenient. As soon as Virtual Desktop allows me to have like virtual desktops instead of just mimicking what's on the display, then we're gonna be in a whole different world because then I can like have like a 4K version for just Unity. But as is, it's the Vive Pro is good enough. Virtual Desktop is not. Not for Unity. Like if I was just doing flat stuff, then potentially. But there's really not a whole lot of benefit to it right now because it's just restricted to your screen sizes, your screen resolutions, I should say. All right, let's see what that looks like. Wait, am I attached? I'm attached. Could not find a part of the path. What? Maybe it's not. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. That should be at root, I guess. Live review, assets, talking point data, JSON. Okay, let's actually just navigate to this path. see what it sees. Maybe it's doing something wrong. Oh. Oh. Because I put that as stream assets, not streaming. Derp! I don't think it matters where I put this folder, so I'm going to put it back where it was. No, not there. Yes, there. No, not there. Yes, there. That's right, because whenever I'm in editor mode, it does matter. There we go. Dang, it didn't parse the video. Wait. How does it deal with multiple? Because this is not just one. Does it take... Dang. I don't... No chance, right? I may need to do some hackery and just iterate through them first using like the JSON parser or like the simple JSON parser and then come back. Oh, you can stop now. Yeah, I didn't think that was going to be allowed. Oh wait, oh, that's this. Oh. Come on. I don't think this is going to work, but we'll see. Didn't throw an error. It's promising. Okay. So... This is wrong. It didn't know. Ollie, how then? Like, it didn't seem to want to parse an array. This actually is definitely a problem. Is it the problem? Not sure. What did I call it? Just talking points. No, that's wrong. Maybe? Oh wait, I need to make this serializable. I did. No, it didn't. Wrong word. Let's give that a go. Hey. There it is. That was the problem. I was just stupid. That's all there is to it. Hello, hero. Thank you. Bone Studio. Thanks for hanging out, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, so I completely forgot that this is not just a root array. I added this so that way I can add additional data like the stream name. So that way, if I did in the future want to let somebody else, or if I did get this to the point and somebody else wants to use it, I could just set this up to where they can add in their YouTube API key and their YouTube channel name in this JSON file, and that way I wouldn't have to recompile anything. And so it seemed like a clean enough area to keep it. So that's why I put this in. That's why this is not just an array at root. So completely forgot I did that. Okay, so we're good. A little bit painful, but could have been worse. So that gives me my my talking points data. Let's clean this up just a little bit. I'm going to be super lazy, and I really don't need these to be in separate actual files since they're all related. Mm-hmm. Better. Okie dokie. Okay, so we're good on that. Now I just need to take this and run it through and change out everything inside here. This seemed like a good idea at the time, guys. Okay, so what do I need? I need my talking points. These are the actual... What is this class? This is just... Oh no, this is the actual... Yeah, I'm instantiating these objects, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Set data, talking point line, and video data. Okay, so talking point data. Yay! Glad to help, Harbinger. I am way overusing talking point in this class. Talking point data dot talking points. Assign talking point dot talking point to talking point line. Okay, so talking point line, get video data. I have the video data. I just need to parse in the video info poco. Oh. That's stupid. Harbinger, thanks for the super chat. I'm assuming that's for the help. All right, I'll take a tip for that. Now though, every time you guys help me out, I'm gonna have to tip you guys. So I don't know how I feel about getting paid for help. I see this definitely turning into a very expensive operation because in a Derpy dev stream, there's a lot of issues. Let's see, get start time info. Ah. I don't need to actually split this, but I'll leave it alone for now. I should probably I'll just leave that as is. I'm okay with this format, and it's already working, so I'm not going to touch it. I think that works. I'm no longer calling that. That's fine. Don't need that. That's fine. Don't need that. I think that'll work. Now I definitely want to preserve this data more, but for now this is good enough. Let's see what happens. Oh, oops, forgot to stop it. Harbinger, I like the second one a little bit better. It's still probably not worth $2, but I appreciate it. What? How is it outside the index of the array? Talking data, talking points, dot length. I'm iterating through it, making sure that it's less than that. Oh, because I'm never actually setting. I deleted a line. I got you, Ollie. Did it stop? Or did I don't even know. Yay! Now did it load the video? Yay! Yay! And clicking on the 4th and 5th, they don't do anything. Woot, because there's no video. Sweet. Stuok, it is already working, buddy. Okay? As is right now. I could pull this into OBS and put my camera in front of it, and it'd be good. It counts. But how long until you go to bed? Hello, Jacoby. It's been a while since I've seen one of your videos. It's been a while since I've made a video. Like 2 weeks now, and I feel really, really bad about that. That's why I'm doing this. I've put like 20 hours into this over the past few days. No, much more than that. A heck of a lot more than that. I don't even know. But I put a lot of time into this over the past few days, and so that I can produce more content. Then you could just use a property total sec instead of manually parsing each part and multiplying the numbers. Timestamp in the class. JSON would deserialize it properly from the format. What about sub-seconds? I see your point. So, I mean, I guess I could just do a start time and then add another field for sub-seconds. If this didn't already work, I would do that. This does work though, so there's no reason to change it now. But yeah, you're probably right, and I'm okay with this format. Like it's simple, like it's not too crazy, right? Yeah, I mean I can convert frames to milliseconds. It's just I don't know, it's more math. And again, you're absolutely right. If I were to start this now, I would go with your suggestion. But as is, I can do this and never look at it again. That's not true. I need to do one thing. There. Now I can use it for the end time string as well. I should really put this on GitHub. Stuwalk! No! Oh no! Wait, but it's not really working. I mean, well, thank you, sir. I think that puts, does the whole preview bigger, did it update things? Uh-oh, it didn't. Oh, because that's only showing donations. I'm trying to be like a proper streamer, and like, you know, everybody has like the things up there, which is good. I like showing support, or like, you know, recognition for the people that support the stream. And then I broke it because it's not showing super chats. Before the next stream, I'll add that on there, and I'll make sure. And it should show, yeah, it'll show the previous one. So for now, I'm just gonna add it. Which means that nobody else is allowed to do any more super chats, because I don't have to edit it over and over again. One moment. Where did I put all this? Here, one second. I'm gonna break the stream for a second. The header. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna break things and I'm gonna regret it. And copy. Duplicate. Nope, of course that didn't work. I shouldn't be doing this right now. It always takes me so long to get the simplest thing up here. I think I can do this. Oh, crap. I copied the wrong one. I forgot patron is a... Okay. Add new... What is this called? Follower goal, alert box, stream label. That's not right. Top donor. Nope. Why is this so complicated? Super chat. Hey, there we go. Most recent super chatter. It's coming along. Roboto. Using the same format that was already there. It's much bigger. Goodbye, Ollie. Really shouldn't be doing this right now. This always takes way longer than it should. And I'm sorry. I'm a bad streamer. There we go. Of course you come back to see this, Zeus. Of course. Oh, you can't see the camera. I just gave you a deadpan look in the camera. There we go. Oh. I'm so bad at this. Message retracted. What did you say? How do I see it? I can't see what you said. How do I? I bet you I can using the Google API. Simonos, I think you might have a point. I could just use milliseconds and then just not add milliseconds over. I could just parse it, like read milliseconds into frames. Yeah, I could do that. Ollie, yeah, I'm using the Streamlabs OBS. It's working. Like it's good for stuff like this. They have some pretty handy features to like pull in the Streamlabs information, so pretty nice. Yeah, it's a Derpy dev stream. You guys know what you sign up for whenever you log into one of these things. Come on, you don't get good content on one of these. It's just all there is to it. There it is. All right, so I wish that I could do. Okay, I'll look at that later on. It'd be really nice if the top donation included super chats because it all goes to the same account, right? It's all the same. But this is. Was I done? Getting the new stuff in here? I think I was. I think I'm done. Zeus, I made it like zero progress last night because I was just trying to figure out some really bad audio issues. So progress has not changed since yesterday. Okay, so I think I have everything that I need now to start working on. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video because I mean it's working well enough right now. Now I'm gonna work on getting my camera in there. Which, in order to do that, I'm going to need to get the other camera out. Good night, Stuwok. Thanks for being awesome, bud. Are you plugged in? Oh, no. 1 second. Yeah, he looked plugged in. Uh-oh. Did you wait till Stuart went away? That's really funny. Oh, you guys are killing me. But thank you. And stop it! Like, y'all are both patrons. Like, for real. Like, you already support me way more than you should. Alright, just getting my... Oh... Where do I want to put this camera? There's no convenient spot where I want to put this. 1 second. My room is not set up to stream from my desk. Like I'm using a webcam, my old webcam, because it fits on my computer. That'll do. That's good enough. So now I've got a second camera loading up. Is this an auction? Oh my gosh. Sure. Up for grabs. Y'all don't want me to mail this off to you. I do. I need to do something for you guys. Like, I just need to take the time. No. I will disable super chats, guys. We're not. There's no cause. No cause for this. Okay, this is a derpy dev stream. No, I'm freaking disabling super chats right now. No. I'm gonna refund them. Ban you guys from chat. Where is it? Dash. Channel? No. Yeah, it's under channel. Monetization. No. Advanced? Why does YouTube make this so hard? Super chats. I can't disable it! Like, I have no option to disable this. You... How? Guys. Y'all give too much. I appreciate it. Don't get me wrong. Don't take my current outrage as anything other than massive appreciation for you guys. And I have literally no way of turning off Super Chats. That's cool. YouTube's like, you're going to take their money and you're going to like it. Yes, YouTube. Maybe in the video settings. Enable live chat. Enable slow mode automatically block. Nope, they don't give away. I can block a lot of things, but I can't block donations. All right, guys. Well, stop it. I'm gonna ground you both. It is your fault because I needed to. Well, I should have put it up there for yours, to be completely honest. And then Stuart gave like the 10, and then I felt really bad. I should have thought about it before. Yeah, it is your fault. Okay, I'm ignoring this now and getting back to what I was doing before. You goofs. There's also this. I don't like super chat anyway. Thank you, sir, for the donation. Now stop. You guys are killing me. It's also incredibly difficult to code while dealing with this. I'll have you know that I'm like, my productivity has just like, well, it was always very low, right? But now y'all have killed it. So yeah, that's fine. Yeah, let's just keep on like this, and I'll never make a video because I will just always be working on like typing like one line at a time inside this. Good night, Stewhawk. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is entertainment. Me being flustered and just what's the right term? Embarrassed? Like there's a lot of embarrassment for this too, because like it's one thing if I'm playing a game and I'm like actually producing content that I feel like is valuable. But what I'm doing right now, I don't feel like. I mean, I know y'all are here and I know y'all are enjoying it, but I feel so. What's the right word? Impotent? No, not impotent. I guess it all just comes down to undeserving, is how I feel. So I appreciate it. But it still feels like there's just like this weird, it's social anxiety. It's like the same feeling, no, similar, not as bad, as like trying to go out into a crowd. It's just like I feel tense. Like I'm actually getting cold sweats right now. Like it's weird. Like my body it starts freaking out. Very similar to how I feel whenever I'm playing the forest. Like I just don't know how to respond to things. So my brain's broken, guys. What can I say? Okay, so trying to get back on track. I need to pull in my code that I have for my mixed reality configurator because that has code for getting the webcam because I don't feel like reproducing that because that was annoying. Open. Dang it. Now I'm all sweaty. You've gotten me all hot and bothered, fellas. Ew, that's a sentence I never thought I'd say in my life. Nod. Let's retract that. Message retracted. What are you saying? Where am I? Unity. Did I ever pull it into? So I started remaking my mixed reality configurator. I'm not sure if I ever pulled in the webcam. Yeah, I did. Okay, yeah, this is what I need. So I need to give this a drop down, a texture for the webcam. Yeah. Woot. So we're just going to reuse. Threadripper 2. I'm not going to upgrade to it. I'm just curious. Did they announce specs for it? Oh my gosh. Wait, is this real? .28 core? What? Wait. 32 cores and 64 threads. What? So Intel... Okay, Intel came out with a 28 core, and then Threadripper 2 is 32 cores. Ah! Harbinger, that's exactly where like money from this goes. Like, I don't use any either. Okay, so there's several different sources of income that I get from YouTube. I get from like YouTube proper, which is very, very minor. I get from like VR covers. I still get a trickle of affiliate information stuff from there. Some Amazon links get a few dollars. Like, we're talking not much, but it adds up. Patreon is the largest monthly source of income, and then I've done a few contracting gigs over the past couple of years that have been fairly lucrative and fun. I love doing those. But so all of that money goes into one separate savings account that I have, and I'm just constantly, and I don't touch that for anything other than YouTube related costs, be it hardware or be it software for editing stuff. So like my Premiere expenses, like all those things, everything that goes into making YouTube happen comes out of that. And honestly, right now I haven't needed to buy anything expensive recently, so it's actually building a bit of a surplus. So yeah, I don't touch it for anything else. So every single penny that you guys put towards the stream or the channel goes directly back into the channel eventually. Right now I'm just waiting for the next. Like, I'm really, really wanting the next graphics card, so saving up for that. I'm not complaining about it. It's just, it's such a weird feeling to put to words. Like, I don't. Apart from like kind of putting it similar to social anxiety, which if you're not familiar with that, it's kind of hard to do a parallel there. But it's like it's a very. And what's really strange is that it's incredible, like being honored, happy, excited, thankful. Like there's a whole bunch of positive emotions that come with it, but then there's also all of these like crazy nonsensical fears and anxiety and other things that go along with it too. So like those type of situations, it is both exciting and horrifying all at the same time. Like I don't like, and that I put I said it's like being inside the forest for a good reason. Like the forest it's fun. Like I enjoy it. It's exciting, but it's also horrifying and terrible all at the same time. But I don't know. It's really It's such a like I need a shrink to kind of diagnose what's going on here. The heck? No, I don't know what you just did. Um, so sorry. Y'all don't need need all that, I'm sure, but it's really weird what my brain does. Webcam selector? I don't know. What is this? Oh, this is trying to add it to a different class. Okay, screw that. I just need to close it down. Right, I need material. So that's fine. Later, Harbinger. Thanks for being awesome, man. And everybody else. You guys are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh. Okay, so we have figuring out what I did here. Output texture, yeah. So I just need a material. Nope. Create material webcam map. Managers, add webcam selector. Like this, I don't like just putting everything in here, but I don't really see a reason not to right now. I don't. Do I care about selecting the webcam? No, I'm gonna put in the JSON which webcam name I want. That's what we're gonna do. But let's do material. I need a new render texture. Oh, you need an actual image. Oh, of course I do. Wait, I thought I needed a render texture for webcams. Oh. Oh, wait. Nope, don't know. Okay, so let's do stream view, my view, stream view for sure. Stream view, video output, questions. I'm gonna sandwich myself in between with a raw image. Managers, webcam. I don't actually want the drop down. I mean, I probably should, honestly, but I'm gonna leave this in here. Yeah, I might as well. I might as well just like add a quick drop down. Quit being lazy, tribal. That's gonna be in my review view. UI drop down. I'll put you right up here. Pivoted on the, or anchored to the top right. And I think saving that. I think that'll do it. Maybe? Let's see. Didn't work. Oh wait, hold on. Something's coming out on it. I like the song. See what happens now. Stuart, I thought you went to bed. Simon, no. Streams like Shroud. I'm assuming that's a big streamer. Like I've seen a few of them. Like I've dropped in. I don't watch. I don't have time to watch much of anything. Like the only content that I consume on YouTube is like probably Hot Ones, and that's once a week. I don't have time for much anymore. It's the only other content that I consume is if I can just like listen to it. 14,000 in a single month. Y'all need to put me in touch with that guy, and like he can like just spread that out over a couple months, and then I can just not have my day job. Yeah, that'd be cool. That's nuts. Guess they have a well-paying job? No. That's I actually have a decently paying job in the real world. That's not a well-paying job. Like, nuh-uh. That's not even close. Whoa. Hi.
Have you made any attention to this dog?
No.
No wonder.
Why?
Like, have you been in her presence?
Yeah, I saw her earlier. I petted her on the way up the stairs at one point. Poor puppy.
She's following me, jumping at me, licking me in the face.
Oh. My puppy's apparently sad. My wife has been gone. Wait. What? No! Ollie! That's a lot of money, dude. There's all those. It just instant. Here, I don't know if here. Hold on, I gotta show you this. Like, just it's freaking weird. What's going on? Here, let me make my camera bigger. Ah, it's just. Will this show up at all? No, you probably can't see that. Anyway, my hand is wet. Yeah, you can kind of see a little bit of the shine, but yeah, it's not coming through at all. Ah, thank you. Just make sure I vocalize that. Thank you, but stop it. It hurts. Oh my gosh, dude. Ah! Not worthy. Oh man. Okay. I was being productive. I was being productive. Body not happy. Y'all are gonna make a grown man get all emotional, and not gonna. All right, so we're gonna focus. Do what I said in the message. Oh, I started reading it, and then I wanted to show, like as soon as I started like moving my mouse around, like I noticed that suddenly my hands were just like no longer having the purchase. Don't put this into a savings account. Go have fun. Go have a fun day with the family or something. Where do you people come from? Like I've worked in retail, right? I deal with a large amount. I've dealt with a large amount of different types of humans, and there are good people out there, but I have a collection of amazing people in this. Like it's just the ratio of good people that I've met in the real world like makes it seem like there's very, very few of you out there. But you guys are amazing. Thank you, Ollie. Good night, Andreas. Thank you again, man. God dang it, man. Okay. Gotta get this webcam working. Something seems to be loading. No, you don't need to trump that. No, you do not. No, you don't. No, you don't. Focus, tribal. Focus. Focus. Okay, I'm ignoring it. I see chat moving over here in my peripheral vision, and I saw Stu walks, and I'm just gonna do this. What am I even doing right now? Oh yeah, webcam. Okay, webcam. Okay, so this material. UI unlit. No, let's do sprites, was it? Let's see if that works. Hey, that did it. Okay, so it just wasn't rendering correctly. Hey, camera! Oh no, you see dirty stuff. Stop it. It's okay. So that's working. Cool. Size is not right at all. What's coming out there is itty bitty. And I'm stretching on the stream view, which should be that. And that's restricted to 16 by 9. Why is it so big? Oh, wait, maybe... My brain keeps on like revolting and deciding to not think about the problem at hand. That makes it hard. Okay, so second, dismissing a message. Go away. Oh, and my light is still on. Focus, tribal. Why is it so big? Let's just scale it down and see what needs to be scaled. It's really big. It's like it's actually not getting the full... That's not right. Maybe there's something wrong with... Whoa. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so that looks like... Nope. definitely not right. Oh, I see. I see. It was scaling itself down to the actual window. So instead of... Okay, yeah, I got it now. Mostly. Okay, so that's fine now. Let's do... What's this? 1920 by 1080. Let's just move it down. Yay, snapping. Okay, so that... I think that'll work. I'm kind of nervous about having this be a statically defined size. Should be fine. Okay, I'm reading chat. You guys be nice. 50 is definitely enough for evening out. My wife is the only person here right now, so that is more than enough for us to go and have a really nice dinner date. Yeah, no, we're good. I'm totally good. I have no clue how you did that though. Did what? Talking to Ollie or to me? I don't understand. Ollie, all right, man. I'll let you know how I use it. My wife likes Italian, so I'll probably take her there. A nice fancy place. Okay, so I think changing that size will resolve that problem. Okay, so it made it the right size at least. Okay, so up here you can see it. So if I were to I hate how Unity is doing this. Can I just have? I just want this to be smaller. I want this to be full size, but just smaller. I'm gonna look this up real quick because this is really killing me. What is this song? I don't want to push anything way down low. Just no. There are several... No, that's not right. Set game view resolution. I want the actual editor resolution. What? Where is that? Oh. Fixed resolution. That's what I need. Ah, oh, thank God. That was killing me. Yes. I think that's right now. Now changing this. Oh, good. Moving this doesn't change the view. Oh, thank gosh. Okay, so now this is just a minimal view of what I'll see. Oh, saving this. Yes. Woot. Now we're good. So let's see what happens if I go to chat mode. Could you guys add a few question time? You people are amazing. I am very grateful to know you people. Let's see what happens. Yay! It's pulling it over. So what's actually going to happen is it's going to slide in here, from the kind of the bottom right, thanks to 2020 Gamer's awesome UI thing. So this is working. So my camera will be over here. I'll position this over here. I hope you like this question by Caffeinated Wolves. Yes, I like that question. It's a perfect question. And this is working. So, and one thing I thought about, I want to be able to dynamically change my camera's like zoom and other various things on the fly. Like if I want to be silly about it, and like if I say something stupid, I could like pull my camera in and rotate it to the side with like a goofy face or whatever it is. You know, the standard stuff I do on like these streams, but control the camera dynamically to make it look like it's been edited, right? But it'll just be like a hand movement where I'll like rotate the camera while squeezing the grips or like pull it in and out. And so in order to do that, it needs to be like pivoted on my face. So I think before the stream starts up, I think I will use. I think I'll need some sort of interface to point where my head is. That way, whenever I zoom, it zooms in here and not like on my stomach. Because that'd be a little bit silly. Okay, so now I've got that. Now I need to chroma key. There's chroma key kit. Ooh. Okay, so options, and I don't want to look. Oh my gosh, dude, Simon. My brain's not working. Thank you. Before anything else, thank you. I appreciate it. I haven't even been producing enough content recently. Like, really, y'all should be, like, lowering your patron pledges. Because I've been slacking, and not out of laziness, just because things have been crazy, but I just feel terrible. Thank you. Hope you get a second date then. Oh my god. Y'all are amazing. I, like, can't even process words, apparently. Relaxation is not a bad idea, but it's just... You only got one life, right? Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I can't even type. Yeah, Unity, shader? Matte shader with a simple threshold. Okay. Let's give this a shot. Double image with alpha, chroma key, and Unity 3D. Wait, what? Double image with alpha key. Is this for a video or just? I guess it didn't matter. It's just a shader. Make a movie with both the foreground. Oh, no, no, no. That's not what I need. I want to make a mask selectively based on a defined color, right? Okay. We can try both these. What? Why would you link to a Unity thread? And not the thing. Is that what I was just looking at? It's a different name. I. Oh, I use the OBS Studio. Why does it put my full name in there? That's upsetting. I'll sleep when I'm dead is not a good strategy. I don't go full on like that, but there's a lot of things that I want to do, and I just taking breaks makes those not happen. So yeah, that's a very good nut out, guys. Thank you so much. This is not what I want. What? No. Okay, let's just try one of these shaders. Ugh. Not super efficient there. Where is this? Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. All right, Ollie. Later, man. Have a good night, bud. Yeah, zoos. Guys, they just like stomped all over all of the stream with their bank accounts. I made legitimate efforts to try to stop it, but I don't I don't actually know how to make super chats not an option. What? Okay, apparently this is. That's the right number of options. What does the color take? So this is showing. Is it just 3? Nope. I don't actually know how shaders work. No clue. Yeah, didn't think that was gonna work. Did that compile? Oh, yeah, that was a mistake. Oh, there's more than just that. Okay, I don't know enough about shaders. What is the most immersive game on Vive? Waltz of the Wizards, maybe? maybe not the most. Zoos, bruh. I don't know a single developer in the world who doesn't Google like half of their problems. All right, let's try that other shader because I don't know anything about shaders. Is that? Oh, yeah, that's right. Shader is not supported on this GPU. What? Okay, let's keep looking. I should really take a lot of time to learn how to write my own shaders at some point. Change these values depending on what should be transparent. You don't put this as a property. Wow. Dark green. R. No, this is horrible. Let's see if it works, but compiles at least. Looks like something's working. Okay. So it's definitely doing something. Like you can see up here, like it's definitely processing some of the green. Not enough of it. What happens if I turn my lights on? Okay, that does more because it's a better green. Okay, so something's working. It's just not rendering out here anymore. And I don't know how to fix these things. I just don't know enough about shaders. Ah, frustrating. I may end up just purchasing the package. Like honestly, and this is probably just the way of it. Like this is a complicated thing. Supports video player. That could be useful for other things. Any key color, any number of key colors. Wow. Tolerance, Luma. Yeah, okay. This is... if I want this to look good, so there's no way I was just going to find like just a thing. I could... Yeah, this is worth it. Give me 1 second. Hiding stream just for a moment. Or the monitor at least. Okay, there's another shader here that is roughly the same price that has more reviews. GPU chroma key solution for Unity, flexible color keying, full screen effect, materials, camera sources handling. I already have that, but I wish I could just block this song. It is so distracting. Which one? Which one? When was it last updated? Oh, November of last year. Let's see the other one. January of this year. And originally released in 2016. Okay, so they're still updating it. And it supports video player. Okay, I think that one wins. And it's cheaper anyway. Why am I not logged into Unity? Oh, I know. I just changed this song. Grumpy. Oh, that's the wrong account. What? Unity, please. There it is. Okay. Whoa. Sorry. My headset just decided it wanted to tell me that it's dying in the most alarming way possible. Oh, yeah. Not bad though. I haven't tried this thing in the past couple days. I've been using it a lot. Ugh. Okay. Now I can turn back on the camera. Paulus Bill, what is this? This is a tool that I'm making to help me produce more reviews easier and of a good quality. The goal is to make sort of like an on-screen teleprompter to help me like navigate through my talking points and have some controls for managing like where videos play, where my camera plays. So at the end of it, it should have my goal is to have a polished looking review that I'm able to record live without any editing or without much editing after the fact. I've come to the conclusion that I will have to edit some because otherwise I'm going to have to like hit live and then immediately start talking and then at the end of it, and that seems terrible because that means that people that want to actually watch the reviews as I'm recording them, because there will be a questions and answers at the end, they're going to have to like scrub back and then fast forward it. So I'm going to have to do the standard thing where I start the stream up, wait just a couple minutes, let people log in, and then start the stream. So I'm going to record it locally, and that way at the end of it, all I have to do is just chop the start and the end off and then upload it. So it should simplify things dramatically. Okay, so let's take a look at the manual. This has a blur as well. I was thinking of needing a blur for something else. Very cool. Okay, so oh, interesting. Hmm. There's no prefab for the webcam player. I might just try that. Wow. Okay. What are these sliders actually doing? So this is currently not good enough quality, although where is this? Oh. Oh, I see. Okay, so there's two different ones. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Interesting. So it's not terrible. It's not amazing though. Let me see what this looks like whenever I'm not in this kind of... Ah! Just a moment. Sorry about that. Yeah, so chroma key's hard. And it looks like this is gonna have settings for it. Ah, no, that's not right. Tint color. Can't tell if it's actually doing anything or not. Like, I only want it to select the chroma color. I don't know what HSBC is, so that's, I should probably like look it up. What does it do? Harbinger, that's yeah. That's what happened. And I definitely was not very productive during that time. let's just say that. Mask alpha. I don't want to mask. I don't want to blur. Simon, you're a wise man. You're absolutely right. Okay, so what about tint though? It's like it's not behaving. I'm just an idiot whenever it comes to this stuff. Like I set up a preset like a year ago for Adobe, and I haven't really had to touch it since. So what happens if I change this tint color? Nothing. What's the alpha on this? Oh. Derp. I don't actually want... This is not what I want at all. I need to... Maybe I just need to keep on playing with this chroma key here. Okay, one second. Let me stop this. Get rid of the filter. There, okay. Hey, Ben. Trying to get this application to filter my green screen in a good way. What I need is, I need someone to do a color replacement. Not just a key. I thought I just got rid of you. Oh, no, I didn't. I just removed that. Okay. What does filter color do? How is this filtering anything? Like it's just adding things on top of it. I don't understand. Maybe. Oh, that's what I wanted. I mean, that doesn't look right, obviously, but this is getting there. Yeah, 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 yeah. Like, honestly, I just need to, like, filter out my hairs. Why? Why? What? What did I just do? Weird. Okay, we'll just leave it like that. Or start waxing. Not an option. That was better before. It's not the worst. Oh. Actually, let's just add a... Okay, so here, let's just get rid of you. I don't like how shimmery it is. really close. Ah. Alright, we're getting much closer. I don't think I need this. Blur might be what I need now. Oops. Chroma, blur. Second chroma. Let's change this order. Oops. Let's give that a shot. Oh, did I not save? I didn't. Dang it. That's not terrible. Did that not save? No, totally didn't. Come again? Oh. So what is this missing? We got the webcam stream. It's referring to that quad, webcam player. All these things are here. Oh. Why is it missing a link to this webcam? Or to that material? It's weird. Okay. It's a little bit shimmery, but it may not be bad as long as I have something behind me. All right, so let's move this and that prefab over into my scene. You're so little bitty. Wow. Okay, that scale did not change it. That's really bizarre. That's weird. How is it displaying over here? That didn't make any sense at all. Oh. What? Oh my gosh. Why is it so tiny? I shouldn't need to scale that up like that. That's weird. That doesn't do anything. Why is it so small? Let me go back and look at that other scene. Oh wait, this isn't even under a canvas. Why? It's just on a quad. Okay. Okay. We're fine. Let's go back. Oh, right, you don't need that. Let's see if that works. Nope. Oh, I didn't set the target. What? I'm a derp. There it is. Yeah. And that looks correct. And not terrible. I think there's enough flexibility there to where I can tweak it as well. Sweet. Nice. It's all working. Ah. Ah, look at that. Mm. That's not terrible. Some more work could be done on the keying. Like honestly, oh, the headphones is actually what was driving me. Okay, without headphones, it's actually much better because these are too reflective. And without the shirt. Yeah. Yeah, and as long as I'm not over here where it's like getting the top of my head, whenever I'm looking directly at it. Here, one second. Let me yeah, let me move back over. Yeah. Yeah. It's not quite as good of a key as what I do in Premiere, but that's really not bad. Put myself in the foreground. Okay, so I'm gonna be over here. I like the idea of being able to like be behind some of the elements, especially since I'm gonna have pieces like lower thirds, I think they're called, coming down over here. So I don't want to be over those. I definitely want to be behind those. Behind this, yeah, this is going to be changing entirely, so I'm not worried about that. Very cool. It's coming together, guys. It's working. I'm excited. I'm excited. That was the last real unknown piece in terms of how hard it would be to pull off. So I mean, I didn't implement it, right? Because I purchased an asset off of the asset store. So quick plug for that, by the way, because I mean it is pretty good as far as like a live compositing thing. Like that's just as good as OBS. Like, well, okay, there's one thing missing. Like in OBS, like you'll see it does do a better job of like the saturation on the sides, and I'm not convinced that there's not a way to do that yet. So yeah, not bad. So that I'm gonna drop a link in chat because I'm impressed. Or in the that's the what? Remove any web address. Oh, I'm not even considered a. Oh my god. I need to fix that. If anybody's interested, that's the asset that I purchased. Pretty cool. Okay, so I need to go ahead and stop. I need to get some food. I've been doing this for how long now? Where's my time? Oh, for 3 hours. Okay. Not as bad as I was afraid of, but still. I will probably be back online later on. I'm going to go spend some time with the missus and then resume this later. Hopefully... Yeah, I think... what do we got left? We have the hand input. So there's a few things there. Moving my camera around. There's going to be some minor tricky bits there, but nothing extreme. Just some fiddling. Changing the way that the text comes in, but that's going to be easy. And then a few other like polished items, like whenever I like my logo sliding in, and it'd be really fun to figure out a way to do the camera flick. So like having the controller in my left hand and I flip the screen and I just press the button, and then it explodes out. Like in Unity, that may be possible. Like I would just need to put my my image like on a texture and then just have that explode, which there are ways to do that. So yeah, there's some more elements that I can add to this for sure, but it's coming together. Like it's now has almost all of the fundamental pieces of it. Like I could technically use this right now to do a live review. Oh no, not without being able to scroll through. Yeah, I need the Vive one to be at least able to scroll through the talking points. You might need to click the image icon, then on re-click, it runs the clip. What? You might need to click the image icon, then on re-click it runs the clip. You might need to click on, then re-click it. Failing to parse. Maybe it's because I haven't eaten much today. I'm... What? Alright. Tell me later whenever my brain works as well. Cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop off for now. Who has words? Who else is in here right now? This list that I have, it only shows people if they've been chatting recently. So, who else? Who else is still in the stream? Well, I'll read it afterwards. I need to head out. But thank you to everybody, to the people that are here just hanging out, and to the crazy people who donated today on the stream. Just to call them out again, we have the super chats. They don't show up quite as nice in this list that I have, but Harbinger 50, Stuwalk, Andreas, Ollie, Kelderman, and Simon. You guys are amazing. And all the other people in the stream too, but specifically calling out those guys right now. Thank you so much for being here. Funix, hi! And Harbinger. Alright guys, I'll be back later. Awkward staring at the camera.